Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Click on search icon, then in the search bar type settings. Click here to open it. On this window, select gaming tab, then Xbox gamer bar. Turn on this option and close this window. After that, go to search bar and type your settings and again click here to open it. Then go to apps tab, optional features and click on view features. Just enter here Windows Media Player and check this option, then click on next and click on install. This will take some time to complete the installation process of Windows Media Player. There we go. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.